Welcome.
We got ideas.
Today we will learn how to draw a turtle. So grab your art supplies. But before we do, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and happy drawing. First, let's start by drawing the shell. Here we are creating spaces for the turtle's legs. Look like backwards C's. We will draw the legs next. Now let's draw the designs for the turtle's shell. Fun fact, did you know that turtles belong to one of the oldest reptile groups in the world? The neck, now the head. Draw the eyes. Brows. 2 spots for the nose. Draw the smile. Let's draw the mouth. Nails. And the tail.
Turtle.
Great job, everyone. Remember, little artists, if you want to submit your artwork to me, email me at the email address below.
Like, share,
Subscribe.